Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change a high contrast keyboard color to yellow, blue, black or white background on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to take you back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on visibility enhancements. In here, you go down and tap on high contrast keyboard. At the top here, make sure that you tap on the switch to turn it on. Once you have turned it on, you can choose a yellow keypad. You can select white letters on black keypad or yellow letters on black keypad. Otherwise, you can select white letters on blue keypad. So select one of the options and then you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now if we open up the keypad, you can see now we have a high contrast keyboard on the Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.